Welcome to POSable. In this video, you'll learn how to create, manage, and organize categories in the POSable Back Office, and why categories are a foundational part of your POSable setup. Categories control how products are displayed in the front-of-house app, how reports are grouped, and how easily staff can find items during busy trading. Before starting, make sure you are logged into POSable Back Office with sufficient permissions to manage categories. To begin, click on the Categories menu link. Here, you'll see a table showing all your currently enabled categories. This table displays each category's name, status, and how many products are assigned to it. From this page, you can create new categories, edit, existing categories, archive categories, download, category data, upload categories in bulk using a CSV file. Let's start with creating a new category. Creating categories in POSable can be done in two ways, individually or in bulk. If you are creating categories individually, click the Add Category button. Fill in the required fields and submit the form. Your category will immediately be available for use. The options in the category form available to you are Name. Your category name is what will be displayed on the front-of-house app. Description. This is not shown on the front-of-house app and acts as an internal reference for the nature of the category. Icon. Select font awesome icons to make each category easy to recognize. Color. Color code your categories for instant recognition. Active. Toggle the category status. Active means it will be displayed on the app. Or set to inactive if you wish to activate at a later date. If you are setting up a larger inventory, bulk importing categories is often faster. To do this, download the POSable CSV template. This template ensures your data is structured correctly and avoids import errors. You can edit the CSV using spreadsheet software or any CSV editor. Once your data is ready, click Import, select your file, map any fields that are not automatically detected, and upload. POSable will process the file and add your categories to the system. Once a category is created, it can be edited at any time using the Edit button in the category list. This allows you to rename categories or adjust their settings as your business evolves. Now let's talk about deleting categories. In POSable, categories are never deleted. If categories or products were deleted after sales had taken place, historical reports would no longer make sense. Sales data would lose context, making accounting, audits, and performance analysis unreliable. Instead, POSable archives categories. Archiving removes a category from active use while keeping all historical data intact and searchable. Archive categories do not appear in the front-of-house app, but they remain available for reporting and can be reactivated at any time. There is no limit to the number of categories you can have, so archiving does not affect system performance or usability. Archiving also makes seasonal trading easier. For example, you can create categories for Christmas, Easter, or summer ranges, enable them when needed, and archive them again when the season ends. This keeps the front-of-house experience clean for staff while preserving your full product history. By using categories thoughtfully, you make your system faster to use, easier to manage, and more accurate over time. In the next video, you'll build on this by adding products into these categories. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.